installing bender board today. So first things first, we're gonna set up a little bit of PVC up and around to get our arch so that we can trench in for our bender board. So as you can see, we've dug our trench. We got our bender board in there. Make sure she's nice and curvy, reaching all the way to the end. So we'll attach this little piece there. Then we're gonna backfill it, make sure it's nice and perfect, and then we'll start staking. We use rebar to fasten our bender board to and make sure that it stays in the ground. We use 20-foot lengths, and we cut these down to 2.5 feet, and they are spaced out every 3 feet along the bender board. Things we need for cutting rebar with a grinder: we need a Sharpie so that we can mark it. We need a tape measure so we can measure. Ear protection, eye protection, and if you got soft little baby hands, gloves. All right, so we got our rebar marked out to 2.5 feet. Now we're just gonna cut it. When we're cutting, we're gonna have lots of sparks, so we wanna make sure that there's nothing behind us that's flammable, especially right now because we're in drought and there's forest fires everywhere. Be fire safe. Oh, friggin' right, that's some rebar. And this is how we fasten our bender board to our rebar with a little bit of plumber's tape and 1.25" screws. That way it's not gonna move. On the end, we like to put one on either side just to make sure that it stays nice and straight. And now we'll position these every 3 feet along the rebar. So now we got an arrow just picking out our line here, making it look nice. Just gonna go along with his foot, make sure we have a nice curve, and finish her off. And there you have it, installed bender board. We're 1 inch low on this side to allow for the turf. And then on this side, we are nice and deep just to allow for our bedding rock or our mulch, whichever is going in this bed. So just bump up right nice and tight.